getting meaner, solving into nothing but to coffee and a cigar. Everybody's busy trying to save the world, working to the sunset just to save the world, slacking all day long, spending time with television, listening to the songs on the radio, but someone's walking in the mall, boozing on a star, smoking at the hall, getting off the mall, up in this walls, and you feeling like an inmate, staying up all night, cause it's illegal to go outside. Everybody's waiting to go outside the doors, hang out till the sunrise, sleep outside the doors, slacking all day long, spending time with television, listening to the songs on the radio.